What's going on YouTube? GSN right here. In today's video we're discussing about DirtyZero, the iOS tweaking application, customization application for iOS 18.3.2 and lower all the way down to iOS 16. This application works on all devices, new or old, and of course you will be able to tweak some of the device components with this. Now a brand new version has been released for testers at the moment, and this one will be available soon probably for the rest of the users. Lang Inspector, one of the developers of DirtyZero, announced the version 0.4 beta 4. And this one will include an option to hide widget configuration background, hide app library background, hide spotlight background, and it has a respring button. So as you can see, these are currently the tweaks that they are testing at the moment. And once these are all available, you will be able to get the build and install it on your device. I do have a video about this, but I also have a full article on how to install it, what tweaks you can get, the compatibility chart, and so on for this. So definitely check it out in the link below. Now this is based on a vulnerability by EMBR that was released just a few weeks ago called CVE 2025-24203, and while this vulnerability is not entirely powerful, it can barely do anything on iOS, it was enough for this kind of applications to be created. In fact, I even created my own called iDevice Toolkit, and this one does pretty much the same thing with different tweaks, and this one is my application over here. But this one also includes a file manager, a very rudimentary one because the vulnerability wouldn't allow anything powerful, but you can also find mine, and it's also open source. You can get that one as well. You can go ahead and get any of these applications. There is also MDC Zero, there is also Zero Calories now. There are multiple applications based on the same vulnerability that pretty much do the same thing, allow you to tweak your device with some tweaks like hiding the dock, hiding the home bar, disabling emojis and stuff like that, thanks to that vulnerability. Definitely check it out. A brand new update is coming, as I said, for the DirtyZero, which will bring some more tweaks, but most importantly, the respring button. You might be able to respring directly from the application. I don't know how they're doing that, probably using the notify to tell the device that the language has been changed. It's what I'm trying in the background too. It's what I'm experimenting with. So I'm assuming that's what they thought about too. But I guess we're going to see. Anyway, this video was brought to you by Rayboot, a software that allows you to easily fix your device if it's stuck in recovery mode, boot loop, Apple logo, and so on. You can also safely iOS upgrade and downgrade to currently signed versions, enter and exit recovery mode, and so on. Definitely check the program out in the link below. Thank you for watching. I am GSN. Till the next time, keep an eye on DirtyZero and its updates, and peace out.